What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you how Tesla really got to me, but I still managed out a green day. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to jump into this video here, but before we do, I want to let you know that between now to December 31st at midnight, we're running a special on the DTC Pro plan. The Pro plan gets you access to all the courses, the video lesson library, our full-on dashboard, one-on-one with me, and obviously the chat and much more. And what the plan is now with this is that from now to December 31st, when you sign up for the DTC Pro for the year, all right, you lock in your price. That's always the case. And we're also going to pay for your scanners for the whole year. So we're going to pay for your scanners. We're literally going to pay for your software, in other words, so that you have the right tools to start trading right away. All right, now let's go ahead, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, watch for the 25% coupon code down there for trade ideas, and let's jump into these charts right now because Tesla's going insane. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this here. Tesla is honestly makes me want to throw up looking at it. What a crazy move on Tesla. Yesterday in the afternoon, I was setting up my brand new computer and I got on the microphone. I said, guys, I'm watching these 940 December 23rd expiration call options for an overnight swing on Tesla. Now, look, I'm not here to BS anyone, much less BS myself, obviously. I know myself, and I would have been flat those calls somewhere in here. Somewhere in there I would have been flat those calls, but that would have been more than enough because those calls were going off at $12.85 when I mentioned them in chat. And I think when they were there, they were probably somewhere near 30 some odd dollars. Plenty of profit to be made. And I didn't take the trade because I got sidetracked setting up my brand new computer. Now, this actually double messed with me because then going into this morning, I worked late last night until like 10 o'clock setting up everything so that I can be live on YouTube, so that I can be live in the Discord, so that I can have everything ready to rock and roll for today with this new computer. And then today, one thing I had not set up was I had downloaded my broker's software platform and I opened it up this morning and my layout on the platform wasn't my regular layout. It was just the stock layout that comes with it. And I don't like that. I absolutely hate it. I started looking through the saved layouts, and none of them were the layouts that I had saved, the most recent one anyways, for me. It was all old stuff. So I went and jumped on my old computer. I tried to get it from there, couldn't because that computer was only able to be hardwired to the internet, no Wi-Fi on it. When I built it, that's the way I built it purposely. And then I said, okay, I have one more place I can just go really quickly versus finding some long Ethernet cable and connecting the old one. So I grabbed my old laptop, well, not my old laptop, my travel laptop, all right, my travel trading laptop. I grabbed that one. The battery was dead. I had to put it to charge, connected to the electricity. So I'm running around my house like a maniac, trying to get all this done so that I can enter my broker, save that layout to the cloud, and come back to my new computer, and then open it here. And that took a while this morning for me, and it took the best potential setup for me. I was trying to get long Tesla. I was trying to get long Tesla right here with calls. I was trying to get it right there with calls. This candle right here, I missed it, and regardless, I was going to rather wait for a deeper little pullback on the second candle. This next candle, I was waiting here for some calls, and we didn't get there, and we just pushed. And then Tesla just did that without me. It did this without me. Whoa. It made that nice little push without me, and I started to get really mad. I was not only mad because I missed out on the day trade, I was super furious because of the reason I missed out on the day trade and the fact that I also missed out on the swing trade. So it was like a double whammy. Not only did I miss out on the day trade, but I also missed out on the overnight swing trade, which would have paid me extremely handsomely. Extremely. Okay? So I was really mad. And then I took, I took what I know or what I teach when I feel these emotions and what I tell traders to do when they feel these emotions, and just take a step back. And for me, all I had to do was just take a step back from watching it. I said, guys, I got on the microphone. I said, guys, I'll be right back. I did not leave my desk because it didn't call for that. I did not go anywhere. I sat here at my desk. I put my head down like this. I grabbed my phone and I just started messing around with my phone there. I actually went ahead and finished purchasing a graphics card for my old computer, which I'm going to put as a mining rig now to mine crypto. So I sat there for a little while, for a few minutes, not looking at Tesla, with my head down, just going through my phone and just kind of disconnecting myself, trying to calm myself down some. Because when I tell you I was mad, I was authentically mad. All right. I know maybe for some of you it's hard to picture me, man, because I'm always laughing and cracking jokes and even putting myself out there at expense for you guys to crack a few jokes at me, especially in the Discord, because I like to have fun. And there's very few things in this life that, in my opinion, require such seriousness and dramas, right? But I was authentically extremely mad. So I had to disconnect myself because I knew that if I entered a trade, even though I thought I was entering at the right point, could have been that I was missing something because I was starting to get that little bit of tunnel vision. So I got back on the mic, we looked at a few more stocks, and I found myself watching Tesla do that and go higher without me until it finally put in a top here. Right in here I came in, got on the mic, got some calls. We caught a quick little pop right there, and I took some profits in here, and then I sold out the rest down here at break even. Green trade, very small trade, and not my style. In other words, a scalp. I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that, right? Then I waited around for more, and then we got another little pullback. Well, no, not another little pullback. Let me see. Where was this? I don't have the timestamp, and I already closed off my broker, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I already closed off the broker. Do I have a timestamp? Oh my God, the timestamps on this Discord, since it's on the new computer, it's off. I have to put the right time. This thing has me on the West Coast, on Pacific time standard. Oh boy. All right, whatever. So if I remember correctly, guys, I went ahead and got back into calls in here and rode them up into this region and booked a little profit along the way, and then stopped out the rest in here. Another small scalp, putting me up a double on the day. Okay, so not a home run, not the home run I could have hit today, putting me up a double on the day between both trades. Did not lose money on any of these takes, but then Tesla did that. And it broke my heart. Tesla and I will be in a fight, I think, the rest of the day. So when I say it's a frustrating day, it's an extremely frustrating day. Couple things I'm proud of is that I was able to show you guys that what I teach you, I also practice. Meaning, no more trades for me at the time, right? No trades, no chasing, no nonsense. I disconnected myself. I went through all the steps that I show you guys to do when you feel those emotions. I went through those steps live in the Discord. I even went as far as showing you my broker platform and showing you my order status box when it was empty, and showing you my order status box after I got all my Tesla trades done. All right, all of these were alerted. Tesla call 980 strike, December 23rd expiration, 1335. Took some profits, 1404. Sold out, 1340. Back in again, Tesla call, same strike, same expiration, 1445. Took some profits, 1575, and then again flat, 1480. A couple of small scalps. Pulled out $1 something on the best one, and ended up with a double on the day. Okay, ended up with a double on the day, and I'll take it. But you got to see me in a real life situation, going through these emotions that I always tell you no one is exempt from. The difference between an experienced and inexperienced trader is that the experienced trader isn't going to recognize the emotion and is going to go ahead and fully trade like crap. Okay, throughout that moment. An inexperienced trader, what do? Exactly what you saw me do. All right, exactly what I would have done had I been alone. Hell, had I been alone, I might have even walked away for the day. But what did I do? I got on the microphone, I said, guys, I'll be right back. And then I just disconnected myself from the matrix. And I rebooted myself, came back, nailed a couple of small trades, could have banged out a grand slam day, but I nailed a couple of small trades, and that's it. Do I feel FOMO now? FOMO? No. Am I still angry right now? Absolutely, I am. I am extremely still mad at the whole situation and at myself. Okay? If you guys are hearing this on YouTube and it's like you're hearing the boop, 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 that's the Discord. Speaking of which, link in the description and comment section below. So it is what it is. It's a green day. We'll move on. It's green day, green week. It's okay. Tomorrow's a new day. Hell, later this afternoon's a new opportunity. I'll maybe look for swing trades later this afternoon. We'll see what happens. The moral of the story is the rules are there for a reason. Make sure to follow them. All right, guys, so that's it for me today. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video and when I go live Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. All right, check out the links in the description section below to trade ideas, 25% off coupon code right now. Also, the daytraderchatroom.com links are there for you to come join the Discord, and I'll catch you on the next one.